Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with Alex. I'm so excited to have you here today as we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary together. Our word of the day is background, an A2 level noun that means the area behind or the setting for something. It's a simple yet versatile word that you'll often encounter in both conversation and writing. Let's dive into the meaning of background and how it fits into everyday use. Imagine you're looking at a photo and you notice the trees, mountains, or sky behind the main subject. That's the background. But it's not just limited to physical spaces. You can also use background to describe the setting or context of a situation, like the story or circumstances that lead up to an event. Now, let's explore some synonyms for background. One synonym is backdrop, as in the mountains provided a stunning backdrop for the wedding photos. Another synonym is setting, like in the novel takes place in a rural setting. These words are great alternatives to use when you want to add variety to your speech or writing. On the other hand, let's look at some antonyms for background. One is foreground, which refers to the area or subject closest to the viewer, like in the flowers in the foreground of the painting really catch the eye. Another antonym is focus, as in the main focus of the discussion was the new project. These words highlight a more prominent or immediate area, contrasting with the idea of background. In everyday life, you'll find plenty of opportunities to use the word background. For example, if you're on a video call and someone comments, "I love the books in your background," they're referring to what's behind you. Or if you're getting to know someone, you might say, "Tell me a bit about your background," meaning their personal history or experiences. Here are a few more sentences to show how background can be used. The artist carefully painted the background to enhance the focus on the portrait. Her professional background in engineering made her a perfect fit for the role. The sound of birds chirping in the background made the park feel peaceful. To sum up, background is a flexible and frequently used noun that can describe physical surroundings or the setting for a situation. It's complemented by synonyms like backdrop and setting, while its antonyms, such as foreground and focus, highlight contrasting concepts. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about background and feel inspired to incorporate it into your daily conversations. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your creativity, so why not create your own sentence using background and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and have a wonderful day.